I'm Mark Braddock, entrepreneur, veteran with a love for the outdoors. Join me as I travel the country looking for that next great adventure. This is Maleyvan Adventures. How's it going, everybody? Mark Braddock here with Kayak Adventures 2.0. Today we're at Lake Barkley, skipping dock. This one right here hit it earlier. There you go. All right, just got hooked up once again. Awesome bass here. All right. Woo! There you go, baby. Gosh, she's just running. Yeah. Oh, red on that voodoo shrimp. Hell yeah. Awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the Everglades. All right. Yeah. First snook ever. And how cool is it to pull it out of the Everglades? Look at that guy. Pretty small, but that is my first snook ever. Out of the Everglades. So cool. Hooked up to some CUDA, baby. Yeah, buddy. Woo! First CUDA. First bonefish. Now we know. Nice CUDA there. That right there calls for some dinner. Look at that bad boy. We are here today at Headwaters Lake. Awesome fish here. That's rolling martin. How cool is that? And this is South Carolina bass fishing. Y'all check it out. Yes. Oh, yeah. Yeah, buddy. That's what we came to South Carolina for. Right there. All right, first walleye. Awesome. Right here in Ohio on the Maumee River. Pretty awesome. Coming from Texas, man. This is quite a feat. Ain't big, but super, super cool. He's gonna break the net. God, look at this thing. Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. Whew. That was unreal. Oh yeah. Look at that, jumping. Woo. There we go. First official Wisconsin largemouth. All right, there is our first largemouth of Minnesota. Super cool. Got our first fish in Colorado. Look at that. That was our first trout here in Colorado. Super cool. All right, all right. So we got our first largemouth bass here in Colorado. Awesome. That is a nice size California Clear Lake Largemouth. All right, buddy. Yes, sir. Oh, that's a good fish. Ooh, girl, I tell you, that ain't a bass. I don't know what is. That's a bass, man. Here in California, love it, man. First, New Mexico, largemouth. All right, man. Let's try to catch some bigger ones. I'm Braddock, that's Leza. We're the Braddocks from Kayak Adventures 210. That's a big old catfish out here at Bronick Lake. Y'all check it out. Woo! Woo, girl. That is a solid red.
Funny.
Damn! Bull red, baby, bull red. Woo! It is so nice to be back home, good old Texas. Big old red fish.